Hey guys, I need to install these lug studs in this hub, but I don't have a press. So I'm going to show you an easy way to do this if you don't have a press. Obviously got my lug studs here. These are 9/16 18, 9/16 18 nut, non-locking nut. This used to be a nylock, but I removed the nylon, so now it's just a regular old nut. And a good stack of washers. These are all the through hardened type. I like to use these just because they don't seem to gall that bad when you do this, and I just theoretically would say that the impact tightening this nut down, which is what's going to pull the stud through, seems like it would be more efficient going through hardened stuff rather than it going through soft washers. So like I said, this is 3/4 of an inch bolt washer on the bottom. These are 9/16 on the top. It doesn't really matter as long as they fit over it. I just wanted to bridge the gap between these two machine surfaces so I'm not pulling on kind of crooked. I want to make sure I'm pulling nice and straight through this thing. So drop that on there, grab your nut, and you don't want to make your stack of washers too high. You want to make sure you have full thread engagement just because you're going to be impacting this thing down, and the fewer threads you grab, the worse you're dealing with. So you want to make sure you're grabbing all of the threads that the nut gives you. So now just kind of hand tighten that. That should start it well enough so that it doesn't start spinning when you impact it down. But you can do this with a regular wrench, it's just more work. I've got my cordless impact here, so I'm going to use this. Just get the socket on there and looks like we're all the way through. You don't want to go too far, or you'll snap the stud if you've got a strong enough impact. I don't know that this thing's strong enough to do that, but I don't want to find out. There you go. Nuts off, washers off, and there you have it. You can look back there, and that lug is totally seated. So just a relatively quick and easy way to do this if you don't have a press set up, or if you just don't have a press in general. But hopefully that helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.